How are you doing today? This is Vincent from www.easywebdesignforbeginners.com, and if you click on the link below this video, there you'll find the best free web design resources for anyone who wants to build their own website, saving you a lot of time and money. Now this is Web Page Maker Tutorial Part 6, an overview of making a flash slideshow. And I'm going to be using the free resource called Cam Studio. Anybody can download and use it, and it does a great job. And you're going to see the slideshow and a little bit of distortion, and that's just because of the recording, but it will look great once you upload it to your host. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Now, before you build a photo gallery or a flash slideshow for your website, you will want to organize all your photos into one file. I like to use or make my photos the same width and height. You don't have to, it's up to you. Okay, now you can use Web Page Maker to insert a simple flash slideshow into your page. It makes animated photo slideshows. This slideshow loads images with a fade in and a fade out transition. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. Okay, as you can see here, I have Web Page Maker already open, and I'm going to hit Insert, go down to Flash, click on Flash Slideshow, and here I can add a photo, remove all the photos. I can move a photo up or all the way up, and that would be my first photo in my slideshow. I can move photos down, and if I move it all the way down, it will be the last photo in my slideshow. I can add hyperlinks to one photo or all my photos, and when they click on that photo in my slideshow, they will be taken to another page on my website or to another different website completely. Okay, let's go over to settings, and the automatic duration in between photos is 5. I can make it quicker between photos, but I want to slow it down a little bit, so I'm going to choose 3 seconds in between the photos. The title position, which will be numbers, I want at the bottom. I can choose any color here. I'll pick dark teal. I'll leave this orange, the background color of the numbers. And the show button I'm going to leave selected. Now I'm going to go back to images, and I'll go ahead and add some images. And let's go ahead and close this up a little bit here. Oops. Okay. So as you can see here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down the control button on my keyboard and select Bayside. Keep holding down the control button. Select all 4 of those. Release the control button on my keyboard and hit open. I'm going to take this Bayside JPEG, move it all the way down, and again it'll be the last photo in my slideshow. I can add a hyperlink to it, a page on my website, or to another website completely different away from my website, anybody else's website as an example. Okay, let's hit OK, and hit OK again, and let's see what we have here. We'll go ahead and preview this. Click on the preview button, and there you go, and they move automatically, or if I hover over a number, it will move to that. As I hover over 1 and 4 and Bayside Resort Motel, I have a link on that. If I would click on that, it would take me to another website or to a page on my website, but that won't work here unless it's uploaded to your host first. So you have to upload it to your host first, then it'll work just fine. Okay, let's go ahead and close out the web browser. And let's go ahead and double click on that, and by doing that we can go back and change our settings again, add more pictures, remove pictures, whatever you want to do. Let's hit settings, remove the show button, hit OK, and let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and stretch that out just a little bit. We're going to hit preview, And this time you have no numbers on it as far as telling you what photo it is. Okay, let's go ahead and close that out. I'm going to select that, delete it by hitting delete on my keyboard. I'm going to go up here to shapes. I'm going to go ahead and hold down the left side of my mouse and drag it over here and give myself a shape. I'm going to right click and hit properties. I'm going to hit pick pale blue for a fill, and I want an outline of 4. I'm going to go ahead and get the dark teal, be any color you want, hit OK, and let's go ahead and move that over a little bit here. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead, insert, drop down to flash, click on flash slideshow, add. Again, I'm going to go over here, hold my control key down on my keyboard, select the 4 pictures again, open. Again, I can move this down if I wanted to. Could add a hyperlink, but I'm not going to do it this time. Hit OK. And I'm just going to and you can see here there's pink around this shape here, and I'm going to kind of move around because I'm trying to make a frame here. That's good enough for now. And then I'm going to go ahead and get some text. Click on that. Click on my work area. This is my slide show. I'm going to go ahead and let's go ahead and move this down a little bit so you see what I'm doing here. Okay, so I got this in here, and I'm going to go ahead and select this, bold it, center it, and move this over here so you can see what I'm doing. Hit OK at the bottom. Stretch this out. Try to center it. Okay, and I can move these wherever I want on my web page, and I can also add some advertisement links, whatever, navigation bars. Let's go ahead and just add another shape here. Again, this could represent some advertising, and we'll just leave it like that. And let's go ahead up to Format, click on that, Page Properties, Appearance, and Background. Click on that, and I'm going to get pale blue. Hit OK. And now let's go ahead and preview that. And there you go. So you could change the frame to whatever color you want. It's a simple frame. Change the background to what you want. And that's how you make a flash slideshow with Web Page Maker. Hope that helped you out. Don't forget to visit my website. There's a lot of other great tutorials there. And you have a great day, and thank you for watching.